Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Honor X8. And to do this, first we'll need to find the slot on this device, and I think it's, let's look at the phone, and I think it's on the top left. Let's open it with a needle. And here we have one SIM slot for sure, right here, and another one you could place right here. That's a second SIM slot, but you would need to sacrifice a place for SD card to do that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.